Okay, given the fact that there are quite a few more local authorities that are now making this a mandatory requirement, or at least looking at CCTV, we have sent a file, step-by-step instruction on how to access the data from the Safe Systems device. I'm now going to show you using a simple video of how long it should take and how to do it. First, you will need a key to remove the hard drive. Now you have the hard drive in your hand, you need the data cable and you need a computer. Step this way. Insert the data cable into the hard drive, place it into the computer, and then just put it to one side because you don't need it now. Your computer will now identify the hard drive. You'll see it identifies two separate files. Okay, so we can close that because the only way to access the data now is through the correct player which you've been provided with. So, click on File. Record directory should be highlighted if you've already used the system. Click OK. It'll ask you for a password. I'm going to put a random one in just to show you what will happen if you put the incorrect password in. It's looking for the data. You need to wait for the blue line to disappear, and it then shows you nothing because I didn't put the correct password in. Click File again. OK. Password. Wait for the blue bar to disappear, and now because we have the correct password, you can see the list of dates and times so you can easily identify which file you're looking for. Click one, highlight it, and play the video. Okay, so here we can fast forward, we can go to the right time that we want, and the time and date is shown at the top screen. So, assuming you've got the right one, click AVI Convert. You will now see two blue bars coming up, and they are progress indicators to see how far along the conversion is taking. At this point, if there is three cameras or four, you may have 3 or 4 lines. You can see the progress bar there. If you've not got as far as this point, that means that your IT department has not installed the software correctly onto your laptop. Please refer back to your IT department. Okay, and it's nearly finished. There we go, conversion finished. Click OK, minimize the file, and then as instructed in your step-by-step guide, you should have created a file on your desktop where it will store that data to. So at this point, it will create that file relevant to today's date. That is the date that you are making the recording. Now you have standard media player format so that it can be used by the police, by councils, in courts, any reason you want it to. And that's it. Close that, close that, close the player because you're finished with it, and then safely remove the hard drive. And it didn't because I've still got the player open. Yep. Safely remove the hard drive. There we go. Unplug the hard drive. That's now ready for reinserting back into the vehicle. Power it back on and it will start to record. So, as we can see, the time taken to do the entire download has been
4 minutes 10 seconds.
4 minutes and 10 seconds. Thank you very much for your attention. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.